Hey everybody, Connect here, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits from our organization go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. You know how much I love tech, but let's face it, the internet can be a scary place if you don't know how to protect yourself. We're going to break down 7 easy but powerful cybersecurity tips that everyone can use to level up their online security game. So, if you're ready to take control of your online safety without needing a degree in computer science, stick around. First up, let's talk about email. Using the same email address for everything is like using the same key for your house, your car, and your office. If someone gets a hold of that one key, they have access to everything. That's where having a separate email address specifically for your financial accounts comes in. This dedicated email address should only be used for banking, online transactions, and anything related to your finances. This way, even if one of your other accounts gets compromised, your financial information remains protected. Setting up a separate email address is super easy and only takes a few minutes. Most email providers offer free accounts, so you can create a new one specifically for this purpose. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in protecting your hard-earned money. Alright, let's talk about something we do almost every day, paying for stuff. Tap-to-pay features on your phone are not just convenient, they're actually more secure than swiping or inserting your card. These mobile payment systems use something called tokenization to process your transactions. Instead of transmitting your actual card details to the merchant, they generate a unique one-time use token for each payment. This means that even if someone manages to intercept your transaction information, they won't be able to steal your actual card details. Setting up Tap to Pay is incredibly easy. Just open the app on your phone, follow the instructions to add your cards, and you're good to go. It's super fast and convenient. Just hold your phone near the payment terminal, authenticate with your fingerprint or Face ID, and you're done. So next time you're at the checkout, ditch the swipe and embrace the tap. We all have our go-to usernames, right? The ones that are easy to remember and we use for almost everything. But using the same username across multiple platforms is like using the same lock on all your doors. If someone figures out how to pick one, they can get into everything. That's why creating unique usernames for each of your online accounts is crucial. This way, even if one of your accounts is compromised, the others remain safe. Use a password manager to generate and store strong, unique usernames and passwords. Get creative with your usernames. The more unique and unpredictable, the better. Review your online accounts and create unique usernames for each one. It's a simple step that can significantly strengthen your online security. Set up a credit freeze. Identity theft is a scary thought, but there's a powerful tool you can use to protect yourself. A credit freeze. It's like putting your credit report on lockdown. It prevents anyone from accessing your credit information without your explicit permission. Even if someone tries to open a new account in your name, they won't be able to, because the credit bureaus won't release your credit report. You can temporarily lift the freeze whenever you need to apply for credit. Contact each of the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, online or by phone, and request a credit freeze. It's a simple step that adds an extra layer of security around your most sensitive financial information. Tether to mobile data instead of using public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, which means that anyone with the right tools can intercept the data you send and receive while connected. Imagine sending sensitive information like your banking details or passwords over a public Wi-Fi network. Whenever possible, tether to your mobile data instead of using public Wi-Fi. Your mobile data connection is like a private tunnel between your phone and your carrier's network, making it much more secure. If you absolutely have to use public Wi-Fi, make sure you're using a VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a secure server, adding an extra layer of security to your connection. It's like sending that postcard in a sealed envelope. No one can read what's inside. Stay safe and protect your data by being mindful of your internet connections. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not in use. Leaving your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled all the time is like leaving your front door unlocked when you're not home. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities in your phone's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth chip to gain unauthorized access to your device. Turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're not using them. Most smartphones have a quick settings panel that lets you easily toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on and off with just a few taps. The few seconds it takes to turn off these features is a small price to pay for the peace of mind it brings. Plus, it can actually help save battery life. Make it a habit to turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're not using them. Protect your phone from theft. Our phones hold our photos, messages, banking information, pretty much everything. It's crucial to take steps to protect your phone from theft and ensure that even if it falls into the wrong hands, your personal information remains secure. Set up a strong screen lock. Use a strong alphanumeric password, a pattern lock, or biometric authentication like fingerprint scanning or face recognition. Enable device tracking features like Find My iPhone for iOS devices or Find My device for Android. These features allow you to remotely locate your phone, make it ring even if it's on silent, lock it down remotely, or even erase all its data if you believe it's been stolen. Back up your data regularly to the cloud using services like iCloud or Google Drive or to your computer. Protect your phone and your data by taking these simple steps. Stay safe out there. So there you have it, folks. 7 easy but effective cybersecurity tips that everyone can use to level up their online security game. Stay safe out there. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. Our free and paid online courses, learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information, like share and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. We got everything from beginner basics to advanced courses. See you in the next video.